Beneath the forest canopy of Hipa, Guianep fruits quietly fall onto a thick layer of leaf litter. Few people know that from these small seeds, a large and resilient hardwood tree can grow, becoming a long-term part of the natural forest ecosystem. Guianep not only provides shade and helps retain soil and water, but is also an important food source for many forest animals. The journey of forest restoration begins with native seeds like these. To propagate Guianep, we enter the forest to locate healthy mother trees that grow steadily and bear fruit regularly each year. Guianep flowers around March to April, and fruits ripen from September to November. Seeds are collected directly from the ground or from freshly fallen fruits to ensure freshness and high germination potential. After harvesting, only firm and healthy Guianep seeds are retained. Hollow, pest-damaged, or cracked seeds are removed, and the selected seeds are sun-dried before further treatment and sowing. Careful selection helps improve germination rates and enhance seedling quality. Seed treatment for germination. Guianep seeds are washed with clean water to remove sap and impurities, then soaked in water for 12 to 24 hours to allow full absorption and activate germination, and finally incubated in a moist cloth in a well-ventilated place until the seeds begin to crack open. Sowing Guianep seeds on seedbeds. After being treated, the seeds begin to show signs of germination. At this stage, they are transferred to the nursery beds for sowing. The seeds are evenly spread over the surface of the beds, then covered with a layer of decomposed Guianep leaves to retain moisture and enhance the germination rate. Transplanting to nursery bags. When seedlings reach approximately 2 to 3 centimeters in height, they are gently lifted and transplanted into nursery bags. The potting mix consists of forest soil mixed with decomposed organic manure to support continued growth. Seedling care. In the early stage, Guianep seedlings require stable moisture and diffused light. Seed beds are lightly shaded, watered regularly, and closely monitored to prevent waterlogging or fungal diseases. Seedling hardening. After 6 to 8 months of care, seedlings are hardened by gradually reducing shade and watering. Once seedlings are sturdy, with straight stems and strong roots, they are ready for forest planting. Planting. Planting holes are dug according to the terrain and soil conditions of the Hipa forest. Guianep seedlings are placed into the holes. Soil is backfilled and compacted around the base. Each planted tree becomes an important link in restoring natural forest structure and sustaining long-term ecosystem health. From a small seed to a young tree taking root in the forest, each ghi nep planted today is an investment in the future of HIPA. Through patience, care, and respect for native species, forest restoration becomes possible, one seedling at a time.